Shark SpeedStyle Hair Dryer Review 2026. Watch this before you make a choice. For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of using a hair dryer that takes forever to dry your locks? Do you find yourself dealing with frizz and unmanageable hair after styling? I know I was. That's why I'm excited to share my review of the Shark SpeedStyle Hair Dryer, which promises to revolutionize the way we style our hair. But here's what surprised me. This hair dryer is not just about speed. It's also designed with safety and energy efficiency in mind. Therefore, you'll not only get the job done quickly but also save money on your electricity bill. What makes the Shark SpeedStyle Hair Dryer stand out from other products on the market? Let's dive deeper into its features and see how it performs in real-life testing. But first, I have to ask, are you ready for a hair dryer that can dry your hair up to 50% faster than traditional models? One of the key benefits of this product is its sleek design. Weighing only 1.3 pounds, it's easy to maneuver and comfortable to hold. Therefore, even the most delicate styles won't get damaged by excessive heat or pressure. But don't just take my word for it, let's look at some stats. Dries hair up to 50% faster than traditional models. Features a powerful 1875W motor. Equipped with advanced ionic technology for frizz-free results. Has multiple speed settings and temperature controls. So how does it perform in real life? I've put the Shark SpeedStyle Hair Dryer through its paces, testing it on various hair types and styles. The results are impressive. My locks were dried quickly without any damage or frizz. However, there is a catch. This product may not be suitable for everyone. If you have very thick or curly hair, you might find that it takes some time to get used to the new drying speed. But don't worry, I've got some tips and tricks up my sleeve to help you make the most of this product. Therefore, are you ready to say goodbye to bad hair days? Keep watching for more information on how to use the Shark SpeedStyle Hair Dryer effectively and what I think about its performance overall. As someone who's tried countless hair dryers in the past, I can confidently say that this one stands out from the rest. But don't just take my word for it, let's look at some of the pros and cons. Pros: fast drying time, energy efficient, multiple speed settings and temperature controls, advanced ionic technology. Cons: may not be suitable for very thick or curly hair. Some users may find the noise level too high. But therefore, I believe that this product is worth considering if you're in the market for a new hair dryer. And as always, I want to emphasize the importance of safety and energy efficiency when choosing any electrical appliance. So what do you say? Are you ready to upgrade your hair care routine with the Shark SpeedStyle Hair Dryer? Click the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon today. As we wrap up this review, let me summarize my key takeaways. The Shark SpeedStyle Hair Dryer is a game changer for those tired of using traditional hair dryers. Its sleek design and multiple speed settings make it easy to use and customize to your needs. While it may not be suitable for everyone, the pros far outweigh the cons in this reviewer's opinion. Therefore, I highly recommend giving the Shark SpeedStyle Hair Dryer a try. Your locks will thank you.